soul hits this ground and quickly is beaten down. Through every silent chain, the young one learns the game. With time he shuts it in. A child no longer whole. Twist him from within and strip away his soul. Oh, promise in his mind that one day he'll break free. But every passing year takes more of what could be. See what I've known, never truly have I shown, never whole, never clear, lost in everything I fear. What I feel deep inside, always something I must hide. I wear this memory. They try to shape his path, to please them all, but drowns internally. Throughout his life the same, a war he cannot win. A tired man remains with nothing left within. The old man now prepares, with regret in every breath. He whispers to himself as he slowly greets his death. Never free, never me, still I wear this memory. No changes. Wake up in the morning and I ask myself, is life worth living or should I blast myself? I'm tired of being poor and even worse, I'm black, my stomach hurts, so I'm looking for a purse to snatch. Cops give a damn about a Negro. Pull the trigger, feel a nigga is a hero. Give the cack to the kids, who the hell cares? One less hungry mouth on welfare. First ship them down that I'm dealing, brothers give them guns. Step back, watch them feel each other. It's time to fight back, that's what Huey said. 2 shots in the dark, now Huey's dead. I got love for my brother, but we can never go nowhere unless we share with each other. We gotta start making changes. Learn to see me as a brother instead of 2 distant strangers. and that's how it's supposed to be. How could the devil take a brother if he's close to me? I love to go back to when we played as kids, but things changed, and that's the way it is. Come on, that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same, man. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Things will never be the same, never be the same. Yeah, yeah, oh yeah. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah. I see no changes. All I see is Ursa's faces. Misplaced hate makes disgrace to races. I wonder what it takes to make this one better place. Let's erase the wasted. Take the evil out the people, they'll be acting right. Cause both black and white are smoking crack tonight. And the only time we chill is when we feel each other. It takes skill to be real time to heal each other. And even though it seems heaven sent, we ain't ready to see a black president. It ain't a secret, don't conceal the fact the penitentiary is packed and it's filled with blacks. But some things will never change. Try to show another way, but you're staying in the dark game. Now tell me what's a mother to do. Being real don't appeal to the brother in you. You gotta operate the easy way. I made a G today, but you made it in a sleazy way. Selling cack to the kids, how to get paid. Well, hey, well, that's the way it is. Come on, that's just the way it is. Things will never be the same. Oh, that's just the way it is. Oh yeah, and yeah, oh my, oh my, oh my. Things will never be the same, never be the same. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah, you gotta make a change. It's time for us, the people, to start making some changes. Let's change the way we eat, let's change the way we live, and let's change the way we treat each other. You see, the old way wasn't working, so it's on us to do what we gotta do to survive. And still I see no changes. Can't a brother get a little peace? It's war on the streets and it's war in the Middle East. Instead of way of poverty, they got a war on drugs. So the police can't bother me, and I ain't never did a crime I ain't have to do. But now I'm back with the Glacks, giving it back to you. Don't better jack you up, back you up, cack you up, or pimp slack you up. You gotta learn to hold your own. They get jealous when they see you with your mobile phone. Well, tell the cops can't touch this, I don't trust this. When they try to rush, I bust it. That's the sound of my tool. You say it ain't cool, my mama didn't raise no fool. And as long as I stay black, I gotta stay strapped. And I never get to lay back, cause I always gotta worry about the payback. Some buck that I roughed up way back, come back after all these years. Rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat. That's the way it is. Things will never be the same. That's just the way it is. Oh yeah, you my brother, you're my sister. Oh man, oh my, oh my. Things will never be the same, never be the same.